Welcome back, Dinocraft. I'm Dinoboy. You can see I'm in a rainy day. I do not get what kind of dinosaur do that. So yeah, today it's gonna be Lava Baby Day. But yeah, this mod is incredible. You know how a normal diamond sword would just do like 1 damage, like 2 hits for a spider, and this one 1 hit. Cause guess what? I got the I'll leave the name in the description for Android and all that. But you need block launcher for this. You see? You got all of this stuff in survival, and without the ghost tag mod. See, I can enchant stuff. Look, I can enchant this bottle. Look, I can enchant this. Enchant it. Gas bottle, sharpness 4. Are any mobs? Oh look. He's one. Oh my god, man. You know what? This dude has to come. Look. You see? 1, 2. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot. I know how water breathing works. Wait. Oh, I filled it up. That's one. Oh my god. Oh wait, I can get a diamond and then I can enchant that. Come on. Enchant that diamond. Oh no. That thing is killing me. I'm running so badly. You know what? I'm tired of him. I'm just gonna kill him in 1 shot with my bow, which can never break. Oh, just chill. So goodbye. Say goodbye to your friends. Yeah. Now I can enchant my diamond. Finally, thank you. I can enchant my diamond. Let's give it 200. You see, the diamond's enchanted now. You can see a normal diamond would just do like 1 damage against something normal, like a creeper. It would just do 1 damage. But with this baby, it would do like, it will kill in 1 shot. Diamond sharpness 215. I would just need a mod that won't burn us. Okay, let's go. Try and find. Oh, but it looks really cool. Let's enchant. Ooh, a chicken. You see, when you hit a chicken with a diamond, it will just do 1 damage, right? And then right here, let's watch. Chicken attack. It will die. 1 hit. I do not get that. Yeah, that's part of the mod. There's a lot more stuff. You can enchant. You can also get like potions. You can make them last as how much you want. You can give yourself your own buffs. I'll show you right now. Wait, let me get inside. I don't want to be out here anymore. I already got too soaky wet. Even though I have clothes. Look. Watch, look. Add. If you want, so let's see, what do we want? Night vision. What is blind? Oh, blind. Oh, that's what it was. Let's give ourselves speed. Speed 128. Duration 2 minutes. Oh my god! You see that? Look, I can get within 1. Then you can remove your buffs. Oops, nope. Remove your buffs. Remove all. Then you're here. It takes you 10 seconds to get over there. Yeah. There's more over here. You can choose your mode, survival, creative, the overworld, or the nether, the health, your hunger, your spawn position, your game speed, your time, excuse me for that, stop time, disable ticking, weather, potion effects, entity, spawn, kill, fire set, health, mod, yeah, all that stuff. So yeah, I think our adventure has come to an end. I just wanted to showcase this mod in my world, so I can show you a little bit more, and yeah, I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.